Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video, we will discuss about the chemical formulas of the ionic compounds. Okay, so I hope you are familiar what are ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are the compounds formed by exchange of electrons. Okay, let us start. So there are two types of compounds, positive and negative. Positive one are known as cations and negative one are known as anions. So let us start with the monoatomic cations. So basically we will go by groups. So group 1. So 1 means all the elements in the group 1 will have one positive charge. Example, lithium positive, sodium positive, potassium positive. Next, we will go to group 2. Group 2 means 2 positive charge. So like magnesium 2 positive, calcium 2 positive. Next, we have group 3 or 13. So group 13 will have 3 positive charge. Example, aluminum 3 positive. Okay. Next, there are a few D block elements which are in your syllabus. So D block metals. So for them, we have zinc 2 positive, copper 2 positive, silver positive, and Fe2 positive. Fe2 positive is known as ferrous, and Fe3 positive, it is known as ferric. Okay. So these were monoatomic. Monoatomic means one element. Next, we have polyatomic cations. So this is only one, which is NH4 positive. It is known as ammonium. I hope this is clear. Next, we will discuss monoatomic anions. So they start with group 15. Group 15 nitrogen family, they are N3 negative. N3 negative, it is known as nitride. And the other one is P3 negative, known as phosphide. Next, we have group 16, oxide O2 negative and sulfide S2 negative. Next, group 17, halogens. So F negative, fluoride, Cl negative, chloride, Br negative, bromide, and I negative, iodide. Okay, so these were monoatomic anions. Next, we have polyatomic anions. Poly means made up of more than one element. So nitrate, NO3 negative, nitrate, CO3, 2 negative, carbonate, SO4, 2 negative, sulfate, OH negative, hydroxide, and next we have PO4, 3 negative, phosphate. And the last one we have is HCO3 negative. The name is hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate. Okay, now take the screenshot of this and try to learn them. So they are really important. They will help you in the chemical equations also. Okay, and in writing the ionic equations also. So this is very important thing. Okay, next we will discuss now how to make their formulas. Okay, so let us start with a very simple one. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Okay, let us start with a very simple one. We will start with monoatomic ones. So suppose we have to make the formula of aluminum oxide. So aluminum is 3 positive and oxide is O2 negative. So just do the crisscross of the elevated number, just number, not the charge. Do the crisscross of elevated number. So Al3 positive, O2 negative. So 2 will go to Al and 3 will go to oxide. So it would be Al2O3. So this is the chemical formula. I hope this is clear. Now let us make another one, magnesium sulfide. Check for magnesium. Magnesium is group 2 and sulfide is 16, 2 negative. So again do the crisscross. It would be Mg2S2. So now remember one thing. Ionic formulas are in the simplest ratio. So take the simplest ratio. 2 get cancelled with 2. It would be Mgs. So this is the right way. Okay. Now, so you do ammonium oxide. Pause the video and do it. Okay, ammonium is NH4 positive and oxide is O2 negative. So just elevated numbers, we need not to play with these subscripts. We are just playing with the elevated numbers or the superscripts. So just do the crisscross. So here is 1 and here is 2. So 1 will go to oxygen and 2 will come to ammonium. So remember, now ammonium is a polyatomic anion. So in the polyatomic anion, we need to use a bracket. So it would be NH4 bracket 2 and O, ammonium oxide. So it looks like this. Okay. So these are hypothetical examples. The compound may or may not exist. Okay. I hope this is clear. Next, let us take another example of silver nitrate. So silver is Ag positive and nitrate is NO3 negative. So these just exchange. Here is 1 and here is 1. Exchange the 1 and 1 and it would be AgNO3. Okay. Next, let us write for sodium carbonate. Sodium is Na positive and carbonate is CO3 2 negative. So 2 will go to there and sodium ka 1 will come to CO3. So this would be Na2CO3. Okay. And then the last example is aluminum sulfate. So aluminum is 3 positive. Sulfate is SO4 2 negative. Now 2 will come here and 3 will go here. But remember, sulfate is a polyatomic thing. So for the polyatomic ones, we need to use the bracket. So it would be Al2 SO4 bracket 3. Okay. I hope these are clear. I hope you understand. Okay, let us move forward. Now let us do these some previous year questions. Okay. So what they are saying, complete the table. So aluminum oxide. So Al2O3, correct. Elements present, aluminum and oxygen. Next we have calcium chloride. So calcium chloride, elements present are calcium and chlorine. Next, this is copper oxide. Okay. Magnesium bromide. So what is magnesium? Magnesium is Mg2 positive and bromide is Br negative. Do the crisscross. Mg Br2. So the formula would be MgBr2. Fine. Okay. Next we have, okay, so this is the same question. Okay. So next, let us move further. Yeah. So this question is for you. Solve this question and send us to the mail ID given in the description box. We will check it and will revert back. So also one important information, our institute also provide one-to-one live lectures. So if you want any, so you can contact us, just mail us, drop the mail and we will revert back. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Do share and subscribe it if you love it. Thank you. Bye-bye.